Hey there Power Platform enthusiasts, welcome back to our Power Platform tutorial series. I'm Tiyani. Did you know that you can supercharge your collaboration and productivity by enabling Teams chat right inside your Dynamics 365 apps and model-driven apps? Whether you're managing customer relationships, handling sales, or solving support tickets, integrating Microsoft Teams in your D365 or your model-driven apps creates a seamless way to work together and keep everything aligned. And these are some of the benefits that you get with Teams chat embedded directly in D365. You can discuss deals, solve issues, or brainstorm ideas without switching between apps. Forget digging through messages. Microsoft Teams chats are tied to specific records, giving you the full context of your discussion right where you need them. Simplify your workflow by reducing the need for emails and endless app switching so you can focus on delivering results. Imagine collaborating with your sales manager in real time while you are updating a leads record, all without leaving Dynamics 365, and quickly resolve a complex customer issue by pulling in a subject matter expert through Teams chat linked directly to the customer's case. And you can work together on a project by discussing tasks and sharing documents directly from the app. In this video, I will walk you through on how to enable Teams integration and Teams chat for Dynamics 365 and model-driven apps so you can unlock these benefits for your organization. Let's get started. Before we jump in, hit that subscribe button, smash the thumbs up button, and share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Your support helps keep this content coming. As you can see, I am on my model-driven app and it looks like the vanilla 365. To change this, let's head over to the Power Platform Admin Center. On the Admin Center, let's go to Environments and then select the environment we want to enable the feature for. Click on Settings. On the Settings page, look for Integration section. And there it is. Expand it. You will see Teams Integration Settings. Click on it. Once you click on it, you will be able to turn it on and off from the same page. Let us turn on for all the 365 apps, meaning that all the apps that are in our organization will be able to use the Teams integration. And to enable the Teams chat feature, toggle to yes. If you're using Teams channels, you can enable it as well from the top. So for this demonstration, I will turn it on. And then scroll down to select which entities within D365 or your model-driven apps to connect Teams chat to your records. As you can see by default, it has selected the main entities for your application. If you want to add more record types, click on Add Record Types. This will bring up a side pane where you'll be able to search for which entities you want to enable it for. If you scroll down, you can see all the entities that are available for you to enable it on. Once you're satisfied with your selection, you will click on Save. Since I haven't clicked on anything, I'm just gonna click on Cancel. And make sure you save your changes. And wait for a second for it to complete the saving process. Now that our changes have been saved, let's go back to our app. Click on Refresh to see changes. Once it's refreshed, let us go into a case. After it's enabled, on our dev app, if you look to the right on the side page, you'll see a Teams chat icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, it now allows you to create new chats right from D365 or your model-driven apps. Click on New Chat to start a conversation in Teams. You can type in the name of the person that you want to chat to. And start typing away. This will send the messages right into Teams. To chat in context of a record, let's open up a case. Once the case is open, on your Teams chat window, you will notice it now has a button to connect it to the chat. Click on New Connected Chat. What this does, it adds the details of the record that you want to discuss, so that when you want to discuss about the record, you are able to send them the Teams card for that record. I have selected my participant as admin, and now before I click on Start Chat, you will see the details of the record, like the case type, when it was created, the priority, and who is the customer. If I click on Start Chat, what this is doing, it's sending a chat message to admin in Teams, and I never had to leave my D365 application. And now that the chat window has been started in Dynamics, you can minimize it, go back to it, or you can open the session within Teams. Click on the ellipsis, go to Microsoft Teams. And now the person who has received the message in Teams or in their D365 application. And for the person who has received the message in Teams, they can open the record by clicking on the link to open it in D365. And it takes them straight to that record. To add your model-driven app or Dynamics 365 in Teams, head over to Teams and click on Apps. Once you click on Apps, search for Dynamics or Power Platform. For this demonstration, I'm gonna choose Dynamics. And everything that contains the keyword Dynamics will pop on the results pane. As you can see, Dynamics 365 is already added to my Teams, hence it has the open button. But for those that are not added, you will see it with the add button, as you can see with the other apps. Since it's added, let's move on to the next stage. Click on ellipsis. When you click on ellipsis, you will see your Dynamics 365 or Power Apps icons. Select on Dynamics 365, and that's gonna open up the app for Dynamics 365 in Teams. Now, since you haven't started any chat, you will not be able to see anything yet. Go to Settings to add the application. This will open up a page where it allows us to choose the environment and the app. For my Teams instance, I've already added my organization under environment and my application. If this is not the application or the environment that you want to surface within Teams, you can change it by clicking on the drop downs. And once you are happy, click on Save Changes and click on the Home tab. This is going to load the Dynamics 365 app within Teams. As you can see, I am in Dynamics 365 within Teams, and I can navigate and use Dynamics 365 as I would on the browser. And if you constantly use this app, you can pin it on the side pane by right-clicking on the icon and click on Pin. And now it won't leave the side pane when you close your Teams instance and reopen it again. And this is how you enable Teams integration in D365 or model-driven apps. If you've enjoyed this in-depth walk, give us a like, share your thoughts in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.